Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to copy a folder and paste it to another folder. Now what is meant by a folder? So a folder is like a storage space that can store many files. It can store other folders and also shortcuts of programs or other programs. So this is the folder in a computer system. So this is how we are going to implement this video. Now let's get started. So now here we are at my desktop. So I have a folder in here and I have a folder over here. So I will copy this folder and I will paste this folder in this video folder. So I will right click on this folder and click on copy, and then I will right click on the folder I'm going to paste, the video folder, and right click over this video folder and click on paste. Now if I open this video folder, I will see that there is two files, a file and a folder, the rename.txt and the renamed file. So this file is also here. So I pasted this renamed file into this video folder. Let's check again. So there is the renamed folder. So this is how you copy and paste a folder into another folder. Now let's have a look at the summary. So in this video we have covered how to copy one folder and paste that folder in a completely different folder. Thank you for watching.